This video, there will be discussed class 9, chapter number 3, the sound of music, question answers. First question, how old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? Answer will be, Evelyn was 16 years old when she went to the Royal Academy of Music. Question number 2, when was her deafness first noticed? When was it confirmed? Evelyn's deafness was first noticed when she was 8 years old. It was confirmed when she was 11 years old. Question 2.1. Who helped her to continue with music? What did he do at sea? Ron Forbes helped Evelyn to continue with music. Ron Forbes spotted her potential and said, "Don't listen through your ears and try to listen in some way." Right? Next. Name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. Answer will be, Evelyn performed at prisons and hospitals. Evelyn made music her life. Through music, she wanted to spread the message of love and peace to prisoners and handicapped. Right? Next. Question number 3. How did Evelyn hear music? Answer. Evelyn used to hear music through different parts of her body. In fact, she just felt the music. She tried to feel the vibration that creates sound. When playing drums, she used to her upper and lower body to feel vibration from different types of drums. When playing xylophone, she felt the music pulsating through her fingers. When she had to perform on a wooden platform, she used to remove her shoes so that the vibration passed through her bare feet. She even felt the music through her hair. Part 2. Answer. Why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of the pungi? The pungi had a shrill, unpleasant sound due to its irritating quality, and Aurangzeb banned the playing of the pungi. How is a Shehnai different from a pungi? Shehnai is the refined version of pungi. A Shehnai is a pipe with a naturally hollow and it's longer, broader than a pungi. Right? A Shehnai has 7 holes on the body of the pipe like a fluid. Question number 3. Where was the Shehnai played traditionally? How did Bismillah Khan change this? Traditionally, the Shehnai was played only in temples and weddings. Bismillah Khan invented ragas which were earlier considered to be beyond the range of the Shehnai. He brought this into classical music mainstream and changed the way people receive Shehnai. Question number 4. When and how did Bismillah Khan get his big break? In 1938, when All India Radio opened in Lucknow, Bismillah Khan got his big break. Question number 5. Where did Bismillah Khan play the Shehnai on 15 August 1947? Why was the event historic? Answer. On 15 August 1947, Bismillah Khan played Shehnai at the Red Fort in Delhi. The event was historic because on that day, India received independence. Question number 6. Why did Bismillah Khan refuse to start a Shehnai school in the USA? Answer. Whenever Bismillah Khan was out of Benares, the only used to think about only Benares because he was in love with Benares and the Gangas flowing there. He used to get inspiration from the atmosphere of Gangas Ghats in Benares. There was not a suitable atmosphere to play the Shehnai in USA, so he refused to start a Shehnai school in the USA.